friends, I'm Shubhra from Blooming Hashtag Ideas, and today I am going to share with you an idea of reusing your old painting brush, which is a big flat brush, into a cute Santa Claus, which you can use as a home decor idea in this Christmas Eve. Before starting the video, please make sure to subscribe my channel. Hit the like button if you really like it. Press the bell notification so that you get notified each time I upload a new video on my channel. So let's get started with the video. Here I have taken an old brush, paint brush. This is the flat brush, big flat brush, and I have applied a coat of gesso. You can also use white acrylic paint on it, and now we will make some 3D art on this brush. I'm going to make Santa Claus on it using molded clay. You can also use air dry clay or any clay of your choice, which will dry very fast. So I'll mix these two components which we get as usual. See that I have mixed these two elements very well. Only one color dough should be made, cream color. And now we will make 3D elements on this brush. First I'll take some clay and fully apply to this so that the texture here will not be visible, and roll it with the help of any box. You can use any cylindrical object. I have just put this on the brush and now cut it with the old knife, or you can also use cutter. And now another side I'll do the same process on this side also. These two things have dried well. I have stick same clay on the top of it and just made textures using an old brush. The end of the brush you can use. Now we will mix more two components for the making the mustache and the eyebrows of the Santa. Here our dough is completely mixed and I have made a ball out of it. Now first we'll make the mustache of the Santa Claus. For it I have rolled the dough. Now use Fevicol to stick the elements, whatever you are making. Just stick the space first and then apply the Fevicol on the space where you want to stick that element. Or you can use in brush also. You can use any white glue of your choice. Now make the nose of the Santa Claus. And now using water or brush also you can just use. Just make the smooth surface. This surface should be very smooth. And using brush you can actually, Now we will make the eyebrows of the Santa. Same method. Just roll the dough and divide it into two parts by using a knife and give it a proper edge. Now we will stick these elements also by using Fevicol. Now for the lips, I am taking a circular dough, a very small, and just turn it like this. To create a texture on the eyebrows, I am using the same brush. Just create some lines using the back of the brush. Now let this all dry for 1 hour, and then we'll apply a coat of white acrylic paint on it, on the whole from the stick till the brush. The brush also we have to paint, but with very thin coat so that it won't be hard, and it should look like a beard of the Santa Claus. So now let it dry for 1.5 hours.
1 hour later.
Now here I have applied a coat of white acrylic paint on this hole. I have also applied the white color on the brush tip. It will become a bit hard, but it's okay. Now we will paint on it. Now for making skin color, we will mix a bit of amount of white acrylic paint plus permanent yellow deep. I'm using here this shade. If you have, you can also use skin acrylic color directly. Mix these two colors. So here our skin color tone is ready. Now we'll apply it. Here our color is applied. Now let it dry. Till it dries, we will make some different color to the hair. So now here we are done with coloring the mustache and the eyebrows. Now take a very gentle shade of black acrylic paint, a very bit, literally a point of it to this color. Very bit of black shade, because it should be not proper gray and not black also. So this is how we're gonna turn it up. So this is how it looks. And now just from this color, make a strokes in the eyebrow. Here our shading of the mustache and eyebrows is done. Now let's color the lips of the Santa. And now using blue color, blue acrylic paint, just take a tint of it and shade it a little bit. Take a tint of it and shade it with that, so that a snowy look it will give. That is fur is made up of snow. I have drawn an eye, outline of an eye, using black acrylic paint. Now using white acrylic paint, we will make the eyes. Now our eyes are done of the Santa Claus. Now we will cut out the red foam sheet. Here I am using red glitter foam sheet into a triangle. You can also use fabric, red fabric or felt paper to make the cap of the Santa Claus. Now we will stick this using hot glue gun. You can use silicone glue or you can also use Fevicol. Now I have stick the glitter foam sheet and I have stick a cotton ball on the top of the cap, and here I have decorated it with pom-poms. It's optional. You can also keep it like this only. Now after drying it for some time, we will apply a coat of Mod Podge glue, or you can also take some Fevicol and add water to it. And then drying this Mod Podge for overnight, or you can keep it till 2 or 3 hours. Now this is ready. After applying a coat of varnish on this Santa Claus, our Santa Claus decor is ready. You can use this as a room decor idea, or you can keep it in this Christmas Eve beside your Christmas tree and decorate your house. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you liked the idea of customizing your old brush into a cute Santa Claus. Stay tuned for more such ideas. Bye, guys.